Can you help me find my farm animal pieces? Let's see if there's any animals in this barn that can help us with our puzzle. Let's check out the first door with this beautiful blue butterfly. It's a cow! Do you know what sound does the cow make? The cow goes moo, says the cow. Let's try a different door. It's a duck. And the duck says, quack, quack, says the duck. Let's keep looking to see if we can find other animals in the barn. I found a horse. And the horse says, neigh, says the horse, neigh. All right, let's keep looking. I found the goat. And the goat goes, meh, says the goat, meh. Let's see if we can find other animals. I found the dog. And the dog goes, woof, 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 says the dog. All right, this is our last door on this side. Let's see if we could find the last animals. I found a sheep. Do you know what sound does the sheep make? Yeah, the sheep goes baa. Baa, says the sheep. Good job. And I also found a pig. Do you know what sound does the pig make? You are right. The pig says, oink, 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 says the pig. Good job for helping me find my puzzle pieces. Now let's see if we can fit them in the right position. Let's close up our barn and let's start our puzzle together. We will start with the cow. Do you know where the cow would go to? You're right, it would go right here. What sound does the cow make? The cow goes moo. All right. The next piece is the goat. Do you know what sound does the goat make? You're right. The goat says may. The next puzzle piece is the pig. Do you see where we're supposed to put the pig? What about the horse? Neigh, says the horse. Neigh, says the horse. I bet it goes right here. And the bar sheet right here. What about the dog? Can you please tell me where the dog goes? Right here? You are right. It goes right here. And the duck goes right here. Uh-oh. But it looks like we're missing a piece. Where did the chicken go? Let's go back and see if we could find it in the barn. There's a chicken. She was hiding in the barn. Do you know what sound does a chicken make? Bok bok, cluck cluck, says the chicken. All right, let's put this chicken where it belongs. Right there with the rest of the farm family. Thank you for looking for my puzzle pieces and looking in the barn for them, and for finding the silly little chicken that was hiding in the barn. Bye-bye.